Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change folder name in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to change the name of folder in Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened the app on my phone. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of options where it says home, files and share. Tap on the files button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be able to view all of your folder and files over here. Now, in order to change a folder name in Terabox, simply tap and hold on the folder which you want to change name of. And after the tick mark appears at the right side of that folder which you want to change the name of, the option will be available, or the menu will appear at the bottom of the screen where you can see the rename option available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the rename button over here, and over here you can see currently its name is something else, but you can change it to anything you like. So guys, let's change it and let's tap on OK. And with that being done, guys, you can see your folder name will be changed in Terabox, and you can see this is the folder we had renamed or changed the name of. So there guys, this is how to change folder name in Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.